Welcome to I Love English TV.
The most common English verbs.
Achieve, fulfill. Achieve, fulfill.
She finally achieved her ambition to visit the USA. She finally achieved her ambition to visit the USA.
Assemble, gather. Assemble, gather.
We assembled in the meeting room after lunch. We assembled in the meeting room after lunch. To assemble data. To assemble data.
Accelerate, speed up. Accelerate, speed up.
I accelerated to overtake the bus. I accelerated to overtake the bus. They use special chemicals to accelerate the growth of crops. They use special chemicals to accelerate the growth of crops.
Administer, manage. Administer, manage.
Two proctors administered the exam. Two proctors administered the exam. She administers medicines to patients. She administers medicines to patients.
Allow, permit. Allow, permit.
This restaurant doesn't allow smoking. This restaurant doesn't allow smoking.
Apply for, request. Apply for, request.
I've applied for a new job. I've applied for a new job. Mandy applied to join the police. Mandy applied to join the police.
Apply to, goes for. Apply to, goes for.
It doesn't apply to you. It doesn't apply to you. The same rules apply to everybody. The same rules apply to everybody.
Apply, implement. Apply, implement.
He wants a job in which he can apply his foreign languages. He wants a job in which he can apply his foreign languages.
Appear, emerge. Appear, emerge.
She appeared out of nowhere. She appeared out of nowhere.
Appoint, nominate. Appoint, nominate.
We've appointed 3 new teachers this year. We've appointed 3 new teachers this year.
Analyze, examine. Analyze, examine.
My coworker analyzes tons of data every day. My coworker analyzes tons of data every day.
Chase, go after. Chase, go after.
The cat chased the mouse around the garden. The cat chased the mouse around the garden. She was chasing a man who had snatched her bag. She was chasing a man who had snatched her bag.
Check, examine. Check, examine.
Check your money before leaving. Check your money before leaving.
Choose, select. Choose, select.
Ollie, come here and choose your ice cream. Ollie, come here and choose your ice cream.
Close, shut. Close, shut.
Close the door when you leave the room. Close the door when you leave the room.
Collaborate, cooperate. Collaborate, cooperate.
He refused to collaborate with us. He refused to collaborate with us.
Bring, get. Bring, get.
Don't forget to bring your family to the party. Don't forget to bring your family to the party.
Build, construct. Build, construct.
The birds built their nest in the tree. The birds built their nest in the tree.
Collect, gather. Collect, gather,
She collects dolls. She collects dolls.
communicate, contact, communicate, contact,
Let's communicate through video chat. Let's communicate through video chat.
compare, juxtapose, compare, juxtapose,
That seems expensive. Have you compared prices in other shops? That seems expensive. Have you compared prices in other shops? This road is quite busy compared to with ours.
convince, persuade, convince, persuade,
We tried to convince my grandfather to live with us. We tried to convince my grandfather to live with us. I'm convinced that she's lying. I'm convinced that she's lying.
decide, determine, decide, determine,
I haven't decided yet. I haven't decided yet.
wave, loom, wave, loom,
Wave goodbye when you leave. Wave goodbye when you leave.
throw, hurl, throw, hurl,
The kids were outside throwing snowballs at each other. The kids were outside throwing snowballs at each other.
wait, hold on, wait, hold on,
We waited for over an hour. We waited for over an hour.
warn, beware, warn, beware,
My mother always warned me not to talk to strangers. My mother always warned me not to talk to strangers.
submit, offer, submit, offer,
You must submit your application before January 1st. You must submit your application before January 1st.
stick, paste, stick, paste,
I tried to stick the pieces together with some tape. I tried to stick the pieces together with some tape.
Steal, rob. Steal, rob.
I caught him trying to steal my bike. I caught him trying to steal my bike.
Solve, resolve. Solve, resolve.
Just calm down. Shouting solve anything. Just calm down. Shouting solve anything.
Tremble, shiver. Tremble, shiver.
I was trembling with fear. I was trembling with fear.
Renew, reiterate. Renew, reiterate.
My passport runs out next month. I must get it renewed. My passport runs out next month. I must get it renewed.